Okay, we're going to talk about something that confused me whenever I was first learning about it. Stem and leaf plots. Boy! Okay, what is a stem and leaf plot? Well, stem and leaf plot is a way to organize data that you've collected. And it works like this. So you have a table. The table looks like this. What? Yikes, janky. Okay, this part is the stem. This part is the leaf. Okay? And it works like this. If I were to gather, let's say, the temperatures of my town during the summer, during, let's say, 10 summer days, and the temperatures were 99, 101, 102, 103, 103, that means that 2 days were 103, 104, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 104, and 100, 110, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 111, and 111. Okay, those are some high temperatures, first of all. That's insane. Get inside and drink water. This is the way we would work. Usually, you would take one part of these numbers to categorize it, as in, like, you see that all these numbers have a 10. This says 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. We can write, and this one has 99. We can write this 9 and then 10. So we're writing categories for the numbers, and then with these, we can write 11. 11, 11. Okay, so now we have categories. One for numbers that are starting with 9, and one for numbers that are starting with 10. And from right here, we write the numbers that start with those categories. As in here, we have 9, 9. Right here, we put 1, and then we put 2, then we put 3, then we put another 3, then we put a 4, then we put another 4, then we put a 10. I don't know, a 10 goes, the 0 actually goes right here because it starts with 11. And then we put a 1 right here. We put a 1 right here because those also start with that 11. So what have I just done? Well, I collected these temperatures and I wanted to categorize them. This categorizes on ones that were in the 90s but below 100. These, it categorizes the numbers that are above 100 but below 110. And this are the ones that are above 110. And I can write a key saying, a key basically tells you what the data is plotting. The key equals, basically if I were to write 10, okay, the category right here, and then, no, actually I did that wrong. Key is 10, and then let's say this 1 right here, this equals 101. Or if I were to do, the key also equals this 10, this category, and this 2 equals 102. So we take, the way stem and leaf plots work is that we take the data and we put a part of one of the numbers that we need to categorize by groups, as in, this is a 9, all these start with 10s, and these start with 11s. So we can categorize them by 10s, 9, 11s. This is usually how stem and leaf plots work. Usually they have the 10s or the 100 place on this side and the 1s place on this side, as we've done here. We had the hundreds, 1, 0, and then we had the 1s place on this side. We'll see more examples. I'll also make more videos showing more examples how they work. But yeah, stem and leaf plots work like this.